Welcome back to our channel, Nature's Animal. Today, we have an exciting episode lined up for you. We're going to explore 5 of the most dangerous birds on the planet. So, grab your binoculars and let's dive in.
Hello, nature enthusiasts. I'm thrilled to take you on this thrilling journey to discover the fascinating and dangerous world of birds. Starting off our list at number 1 is the mighty cassowary. The cassowary, found in Australia and Papua New Guinea, is a formidable bird known for its aggression and powerful kicks. Its long legs and sharp claws make it a force to be reckoned with. A cassowary's attack can cause serious injuries, making it one of the deadliest birds in the world. Moving on to number 2, we have the ostrich. The ostrich is the largest living bird on Earth. While not typically aggressive, its sheer size and powerful legs armed with long, sharp claws can pose a threat. A swift kick from an ostrich can be incredibly dangerous, making it an animal to be cautious around.
Жарко? А? Подвертались всі. А що це знімають мене?
Now, let's soar to the skies with number 3, the harpy eagle. The harpy eagle, found in the dense forests of Central and South America, is a true predator. With its massive size and strong talons, this bird can take down prey as large as monkeys. While it usually avoids humans, encountering a harpy eagle can be an awe-inspiring yet potentially dangerous experience. Number 4 on our list is the majestic African crowned eagle. The African crowned eagle is a powerful bird of prey known for its hunting prowess. With a wingspan of over 6 feet, it targets small to medium-sized mammals as its prey. Although it primarily hunts in the wild, there have been rare cases of these birds attacking humans, especially children.
Known as the secretary bird.
Last but not least, we have the fascinating secretary bird. The secretary bird, native to sub-Saharan Africa, has a unique appearance and hunting style. Its long legs and sharp beak help it catch and kill its prey, which often includes venomous snakes. While not particularly dangerous to humans, it's important to keep a safe distance and admire these magnificent birds from afar.
Any letters of complaint? My name's Paul. Isn't that right, Paul?
And that concludes our exploration of the 5 most dangerous birds in the world. Remember, it's crucial to respect wildlife and maintain a safe distance when observing these incredible creatures. Stay tuned for more exciting adventures on nature's wonders. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for joining us on this thrilling journey. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.